Aha, see? Kay. Nice one. Mabuti na lang nandyan si Boxy, our chef. Magaling magluto. Yes. And he still fried the sunflower fish. Buong barangay, no? Kain muna po tayo, green leafy vegetable. Sarap. Muddy place. Muddy road. Maputik. Maputik is muddy. Muddy, oh yeah! Bumpy.
Very bad. The road is bumpy.
Yeah. Tiger prawns.
This tiger prawns in the road is just
7K na is like 100 pesos. Just alright. 80 or 90 pesos like that. Yeah, you check all fresh. Yeah, you get 2.
790.
Yeah, just alright. Just kiss him. 1.5 kg.
0.5.
Okay, 0.5.
0.5.
Yeah.
So 1 kg.
Yeah, 1 kg, 2 pla. Yeah. Fresh fish. Okay, return that one. Okay. Fish be with you. Wow, fresh strawberry. Oh. 17K na. Wow.
16, 17.
16, 17.
0.2 kg.
Yeah, 1/4.
200 grams.
Expensive. 1K na also. Oh yeah, 1K na. Spinach. So, 1K na. And then this la. Lemon na.
Lemon.
And this one, you buy all this. 1K na 1 ah.
1K na 1.
Oh, 1K na 1. Okay, 1K na 1.
1 kg 1 pla.
Yeah, give me 2. 1, 2. 2K na. Okay. 2K na sugar cane. 2 pla. Yeah. 1 na 2. Okay. Thank you. Ayan. Magandang araw po. Pag na-miss mo ang iyong kabataan, if you miss your childhood days, you buy your favorite or you eat your favorite snack o yung ginagawa mo dati, gawin mo para manariwa yung nakaraan. Ito. Nakakita ko tubo, kaso ibang klase tubo dito eh. Yung parang kawayan, may guhit sa gitna. Balatan ko muna. Balatan muna natin. Before lunch, tubo muna. Kainin while habang nagluluto pa sila ng ulam. I'm with what's the name? Dominic. Dominic. We are going to kay sugarcane. Sugarcane in Pidgin, what's the name? Sugarcane also we cut it into 2. Okay. Get. Aha, see? Kay. Nice one. Not so sweet Tubo.
Logan 50 pe. Logan 50.
Sarap mamangos. Tawag dito, pangos ng tubo. You just juice it. Take the juice. Don't swallow the fiber. Okay? Memories of childhood. Not too sweet. Just alright.
Sawa.
About to finish now. Kahit buko, kagatin mo, ngatain mo. Just don't swallow. Kami nun, nanghingi lang kami sa Lakbangan, Iba, Hagonoy, Bulacan. Pag umuupas ng tubo ama ko, doon sa mga apoterang. Kain na po tayo. Ano ba ito? Hasa-hasa. At saka gulay. Yes. Okay, thank you.
Super private, Joe. They've got a strong
Yuy! Kain. Mabuti na lang, nandyan si Boxy, our chef. Magaling magluto. Yes. And he still fried sampla fish. At parang dalinuan o hasa-hasa. Buong barangay, no? Kain muna po tayo, green leafy vegetable. Sarap. Sarap talaga.